I never thought a simple bottle of olive oil could change my in-laws' lives. But here we are, and I'm about to take you on a journey that'll make you rethink everything you know about family dynamics and food. Picture this: a dinner table where comfort food reigns supreme, and any mention of healthy eating is met with polite smiles and firm no thank yous. That was my reality, and let me tell you, it was a culinary battlefield I thought I'd never win. So, let's set the scene. My in-laws' kitchen was like a fortress of culinary tradition. We're talking pot roasts that could feed an army, casseroles held together by the sheer willpower of condensed soup, and vegetables that had seen better days. Now, being the food enthusiast I am, I tried to introduce some healthier options. But man, did that backfire. That poor salad sat there untouched like a green island in a sea of mayo-based side dishes. I realized I needed to change my strategy. Instead of trying to overhaul their entire diet, which felt about as easy as teaching a cat to bark, I decided to focus on one small thing. The light bulb moment hit me one day in their kitchen. I was reaching for that familiar tub of margarine when I just stopped. I looked at that waxy, pale spread, then at the bottle of extra virgin olive oil in my bag. That was it. That was my secret weapon. My plan was simple. No lectures, no health talks, just a quiet swap of their cooking fats with good quality olive oil. I became a culinary ninja, sneaking that golden liquid into everything. Sautéing veggies, roasting chicken, even greasing pans. When they asked, I'd casually say, "Oh, I've been using this lately. Makes everything taste amazing." And you know what? They bought it. It was like, the perfect crime, but with better flavor. The first crack in the dam came about 2 weeks in. I'd roasted some potatoes with olive oil and rosemary. My father-in-law, a man who usually grunts his approval at best, took a bite and actually paused. He looked at his plate, then at me and said, "These are good. They're crispier." Suddenly, my mother-in-law was experimenting with roasting vegetables instead of boiling them into submission. We were trying out Mediterranean recipes together, laughing in the kitchen as we chopped fresh tomatoes and cucumbers for Greek salads. It wasn't about health anymore. It was about flavor, about enjoying food together. It was like this whole new world of cooking had opened up for us. So, what started with a simple swap of olive oil for margarine turned into a complete revolution in my in-laws' kitchen. Their plates are more colorful now, filled with roasted veggies and fresh salads. We cook together more often, exploring new recipes and ingredients. It's a powerful reminder that small, consistent actions can lead to huge results. Now I'm curious, what's one small change you've made that had a surprisingly massive impact? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you enjoyed this little culinary adventure, consider subscribing for more. Until next time, keep cooking, and remember, sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference.